My name is Maxime, and today I'm going to be opening this laptop. I already took out all the screws. I'm basically just doing this to remove the battery because it doesn't hold any charge anymore. So yeah, I'm going to throw on my gloves, and then I'm going to open up, this box. This box full of electronics and a string. This is what it looks like on the inside. Why are there scratches? Up here, there are scratches. Trying to get it in the view of the camera. Can you see that? Right here, there's scratches.
On the screen they look black.
But yeah, this is the inside of my laptop. I am scared to take it apart now that I'm looking at it from the inside. Oh boy, it's screwed down. This is what the inside of my laptop looks like. And it's all screwed down. This is the battery. Let's see if I can pull it up with my rubber gloves and a screwdriver. Here we are. Yes. Okay, so now I am pulling up the screw. I've got it right here. And a little thing. And I'm going to put it in my little box. Now let's undo this screw. Man, these gloves are hard to work with. Here we go.
Put it in the container.
Ding. Now. Oh, wait a minute. Oh man, it's plugged into the main frame. The battery does nothing, but I'm afraid that it might actually be doing something. Or that when I remove it, I'll mess up something that does do something. I have no idea how strong this is, and I am not testing it by pulling. It's completely smooth except for these little tabs down here. Remove the battery. Don't break anything. Boom. There we go.
We just removed the battery. And by that I mean Max just removed the battery. While we're at it, we should just look at the innards.
Yeah, I'm not going to touch anything, but
everything here is kind of complex.
Everything here is very complex. And I couldn't hope to match this at all ever in my entire life. I wonder if there's an expandable, like, RAM port somewhere in here.
Yeah, I see where
I
you're putting
can't-
the USB stuff. Right over here.
Oh yeah. Right up here is where I plug in all my crap. Power one.
You don't know. That is a mystery.
It is.
That will never be solved.
Nope, too late. I already solved it. There's the power one. This thing is just crazy. But seriously, why are there scratches? I'm scared about the scratches.
I mean, your laptop's been working fine, so that they shouldn't do any harm.
I have no idea if I have a well put together laptop or if this is just a rat's nest.
Literally and metaphorically.
Nope, I mean metaphorically.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna remove anything else or even
Because-
poke anything else because I'm afraid that this thing's gonna explode. Yeah, let's plug it in. It's plugged in right now. It's not charging, but it is turning on. Here's the battery. Yep, see, it can't charge. Because its broken battery has been removed.
We might have to replace it.
Or we might just put it back in. I don't know.
Or we'll just get a new laptop. That's also a possibility.
No, it isn't. I don't think we're getting a new laptop for a long time.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Unless we somehow save it from when the TV upload.
until next time, goodbye.